and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be a fun and different kind of video than you are used to with me. I have ordered from Stitch Fix and I've never done that before, and if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is where you do everything online. You fill out a profile and they assign you a stylist, and the stylist sends you some clothes. So, and you can choose what clothes that you would like to use, which ones you would like to send back. I think you get a 25% discount if you choose everything. And the profile that I filled out, of course I'm in retail, there's only so many colors that I can wear, and pretty much basically I said that I could only wear black, white, and like a fuchsia pink. So mostly black and white. So we'll see what they sent me. They assigned me a stylist, and so yeah, I've been putting this off to try to do the unboxing. It's been like 5 days and I have to do it today because I think in the next couple days I have to decide if I'm going to keep them or not. So this is the box that they sent me. I actually thought that it was going to be bigger than this, but that's okay. It's not the bigger the box. Okay. So there on the inside it says what to do next, discover and decide, share your thoughts, and send it back. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of heavy. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I thought they sent you like 5 different items or something like that. I'm not sure. So they do send you a bag that you can return your items in. It's already, it already has the postage and everything on it. And it's a cellophane, or not cellophane, it's a priority mail envelope that you can stuff. So then there is a place where it says, "Hi Sherry, thanks for letting us style fix #1 for you. Enjoy." There are 5 things in the box. Wow, there's 5 things in this little box. Okay, so it says, "Oh, hello," and I'm so excited. It says, "Oh, hello," and it tells me about the items that they sent. And it says, "Your style delivered. Welcome to Stitch Fix. I'm so excited to get you started since you're a fan of black. Haha. I made sure to pack this box full of fabulous pieces that you can wear to work and on the weekend." And then it says a little bit about the different things that they sent. So that's good that they kept it to black, I suppose. So, and then they give you some pictures of what items they sent you and how to piece things together. So, and this is actually like the packing list of what they sent and the prices of each. So, yeah. Oh, they even have a Stitch Fix for kids now. That's not happening anytime soon. So, what is this? And this is just another thing, just like it says on the box, of what you need to know, discover and decide, share your thoughts, and send it back. And that's it. A new you in one tiny box. All right. Da-da, da-da. All right, so I'm going to take this out. There's 5 things in here. And yeah, they just send all black, which is kind of hilarious, but I'm glad they listened to me. You know, you can only wear so much in black. So there you go. All right, so the 5 things that they sent me was, one was a Vince Camuto knit dress, a Jared lace detail cap sleeve blouse, a Carrie split neck blouse, an Ashton maxi skirt, and a button back knit top. So let's check this out. Ooh, okay, so this one is the Vince Camuto dress. Very cute. It is knit. And that would even look great in the winter time with boots. So I will have to try that on. It's a V-neck kind of in the front, and a short cap sleeve. Oh no. Yeah, it's got a it's like a V-neck in the front, but it's got like a cow neck kind of thing. All right, so there's number one. Number two is a V-neck hawthorn sleeved. It's like a button-up sleeve. So that would look, I would stand up and do this, but my video only goes so high where I have it sitting. So, okay, so there's another one. The black and white. Oh, this is very cute. Very cute. Stripe, and it has the buttons, and very soft. All of these things are very soft. And this is oh, that's buttons in the back. Duh. Okay, the buttons are in the back. There we are. So it's kind of like a boat neck in the front, and long sleeve. And this one is a blouse. Very nice. It's a zip up the back blouse, kind of a cap sleeve in lace, and a V-neck with lace and a rounded neck. That is very nice, and this must be the maxi skirt. This is the maxi skirt. This is from Renee C. It says Renee C, made in the USA. It's an Ashton maxi skirt. And so that is that. Now me, this would be like way too wide for me at the bottom, so I'd have to like scrunch this up in a knot or something and wear it. But again, very soft. Ta-da! Okay. So, and then it gives you, like I said, different ways that you can wear them and mix and match, or if you have a purse, if you don't have a purse, and what kind of shoes that you can wear. Now, if I kept all 5 of these, it would be, okay, so what they do is they add up the total of all of the pieces, and then if you buy all, you get a 25% discount, and then you have a styling fee, which you get a credit, I guess for your first one, I'm not sure. Is that right? Which is $20, so they took that off as well. So if I kept all 5 pieces, it would be $220. And sometimes if you like send one thing back, it's cheaper if you just keep it. So that is what it is. And it says on here too, don't lose your styling fee. It will be credited towards any items you keep in this fix. So I guess if you keep all of them, then you get the $20 discount as well as the 25% discount. So that's kind of cool. And they give you so many days to send it back. So that is that. I'm gonna have to try all of these on and see what happens. And my stylist name, her name is Heather. So there we go. That is my unboxing, and I'm glad I did it now because I need to try everything on and get whatever it is that I'm going to keep and send back. So that's kind of cool that you don't have to pay for shipping or anything like that to send it back. So that is my unboxing. Thanks for being here with me to share in the excitement, and I do have a referral code down in the link in the video description, as well as some other codes that I have as well. So thanks again so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. As always, God bless.